You're not gonna wanna eat any other corn salad this summer. I promise you, it's the best. Peel the husk down. We wanna keep the husk for the actual grilling part. Remove the silk. Now we are going to make a compound butter to smear all over that corn. And we're just gonna grill right into the corn as it cooks. It's perfect. I'm going to be putting spices and garlic into this butter. So we're gonna start with 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a clove of garlic, cumin, turmeric, coriander. Follow the husk and then you close it up kind of the way you opened it. Ready for the grill. Wow. Something happened in there. And she's done. Prep the rest of the veg for my salad. Woo! Put a bowl into your bowl. Put your corn right on top, dicey-wicey.